Listen carefully. So Alicia Kim said she's co-parenting. And somehow, that became a problem. Since when did co-parenting become something a woman should be ashamed of? People talk like Alicia Kim is the first woman in history to co-parent. Come on now. Mothers and fathers all over the world co-parent every single day. They put their differences aside, they communicate. They raise their children. So the real question tonight is, when will John Crowtown stop the hate on Alicia Kim? Is it really about the children? Or has the conversation become about likes, views, clicks, and personal feelings? Because when the cameras stop rolling, children still need their parents. Now listen to this. Alicia said we co-parent, that's all that she said. But suddenly the whole town got something in their head, talking like she's guilty, talking like she did a crime. But co-parenting ain't a weakness, it's about giving children time. You can disagree or agree and question what she do, but don't turn every conversation into something that ain't true. Everybody got opinions, everybody got their side, but sometimes grown folks need to put their ego to the side. Why the hate, why the pressure, why attack her every day? If the children come first, and tell me why we treating her this way. When will John Crowtown stop the hate? Why keep adding fuel to the flame? Alicia said she's co-parenting, so why everybody acting strange? When will John Crowtown stop the hate? Let the woman breathe, let her live. If co-parenting means the children come first, then that's something we should give. Stop the hate, stop the noise. Think about the children, girls and boys. Alicia Kim ain't the first, she won't be the last. Co-parenting is a reality, so I keep living in the past. Some people love the drama, some people love the show. Every little statement gets another video. One person says a sentence, another turns it into war. Then everybody jumps online and wants to settle the score. But where does all this lead to? Tell me, what does it achieve? When grown people keep on fighting, who is left to believe? Sometimes forgiveness is stronger than holding on to pain. Sometimes walking away from drama is the greatest kind of game. Why the hate, why the pressure, why attack her every day? If the children come first, then tell me why we treating her this way. When will John Crowtown stop the hate? Why keep acting fuel the flame? Alicia said she's co-parenting, so why everybody acting strange? When will John Crowtown stop the hate? Let the woman breathe, let her live. If co-parenting means the children come first, then that's something we should give. Stop the hate, stop the noise. Think about the children, girls and boys. Alicia Kim ain't the first, she won't be the last. But parenting is a reality, so I keep living in the past. Hear me now. A woman doesn't become weak because she chooses peace. A man doesn't become weak because he chooses cooperation. And co-parenting doesn't mean everybody has to become best friends. It means putting the children above the argument, above the gossip, above the internet, above the ego. That's the message. John Crowtown. If you have something to say it with facts. If you have a disagreement, have the conversation. But don't turn somebody's life into somebody else. And eventually, somebody has to say, enough is enough. Please walk through that gate. Alicia said she's co-parenting, so I keep carrying all this weight. Don't stop the hate, let the children escape. So put the business behind you. Let tomorrow make things right. Stop the hate, stop the blame. Don't turn somebody's struggle into a game. Alicia Kim ain't the first, she won't be the last. Co-parenting's the present, so stop living in the past. And that's the truth. Co-parenting isn't a headline. It isn't a scandal. It isn't something that belongs to the internet. It's real life. And when children are involved, sometimes the strongest thing two adults can do is learn how to work together. So before you judge Alicia Kim, before you make another video, before you throw another stone, ask yourself one question. Are you helping the situation? Or are you just adding to I hate? When will John Crow Town stop the hate? Let peace speak.